available to us, and figuring out what you feel like you want to use for this. What did you say now?
So I thought she was whispering in my ear, but she was actually just trying to see the model. Like she.
And I thought that actually, well, to be honest, I feel like doing this. I feel like cutting some of that off, because I don't want the distraction of all that space when it's just the upright model that I have. You know, it's kind of nice just having the one as well. I think you'll find it easier after doing. I mean, we'll see. I might be looking for somewhere to.
Yeah, I would probably end up doing that and then taking it back.
Sticking it back on again. I might do that. That's always an option.
Or up to the bottom, I suppose.
Okay. Yeah, so now I wanted to find the space that Madeline's body will occupy on this paper here. So the foot coming down here, the hand going down there, the other hand here, the skirt, and then a slight tilt to the right of the head, and the sturdy, straighter leg at the back being significantly higher than the leg at the front. Have you started videoing? Oh, have you? Hi. This is Aine Divine here. If you want to know more about what I do, have a look at the links below. This is a mixed media workshop, and Madeline is the model, Emma is the filmmaker. Okay, so it's a collage. I'm going to start by making something for the bodice, because I think that's a kind of significant feature here, the leotard. It's actually better that way, I think. Yeah, so I'm just going to glue that on. And Barbara, this is kind of in your style, because I'm wanting it to be not quite precisely the shape, so that I'll either tear it off or maybe work over it with an oil pastel that's a similar colour. This is going to be good for the skin. That's going to be good for the skin, so I don't want to use that to come in here. So I might just go for the white as a way of outlining that. Yeah. And then let's stick in a bit of that to let me know that's where the skirt is going to start. You could go to town, couldn't you, on the feathery business, but just to kind of get something of an outline there. And then I quite like this, and Emma, it's good if you can see what I'm up to here as well, because the tearing and moving is part of this as well. Yeah, I think it's quite a nice thing if you can find some painted paper that might read as the ballet skirt. Yeah, it might be okay, we'll see. Okay, I'm going to use the meat end here now as a way of creating this side of the leotard. And I think I'll bring in some of the oil pastel over that side too. And then this same colour, I could use this as a way of describing the lighter leg. Just for now, it might work. I'll try it anyway, seeing as I've got it here. You want to create less friction as possible, so moving through with whatever medium is easily accessible. I think grey is a better colour though. This is the grey oil pastel. So this leg, if I were to continue the outside of this leg, it extends up to the left of the waist. You really want to believe your eyes in this paper. You might find it feels like things might be off, but really keep going back in and checking out measurements through looking at the shape of the space between parts maybe, and standing back, possibly doing something different somewhere else. I mean, if the legs are almost there, you might get away with just putting some ballet costume over the top of them. There is actually one bag of the feathers. And I just didn't want to give myself too much of a temptation there, because you could end up just using them all the way. Yeah, maybe taking the stem out of them might be a good idea as well. Just going to cut this one in half so it's a softer thing that I can spread out and create a bit of an edge with it. Yeah, thank God for play, isn't it? Now let's see about the body. I need to do something to ground this foot down here. You doing okay there, Madeline? The skin colour is going to come into its own. I'm judging the shoulders in relationship to each other. I think this one is slightly higher. I'm also going to keep this to hand because I love the skin colour for the lighter bits where the light is falling on the skin. And keeping this one handy means that you've got an option of dark and light skin. And there's chalk. There's chalk in this colour as well. And paint. I'd say that's the 10 minutes up, is it, Emma?
You've still got a minute left.
Okay. Yeah, I might just put in a bit of cast shadow over the head there. You know, this lovely, relaxed, graceful arm. And how it's extending down there. Closer to the body than I've got it just there actually. It needs to be a bit closer, doesn't it? And it skims the skirt. So I'll redraw that outer line. You okay, Madeline? Feeling a bit hot and faint? Yeah.
Just